Hi, Alex. How are you today?
Hi, Emily. I'm good, thanks. I was just reading an article about climate change. It made me think a lot.
Oh, really? The environment is a very important topic. I try to learn more about it too.
Me too. The article said the Earth is getting warmer every year, and that's a big problem.
Yes, I've heard that. Global warming is making the weather more extreme. More storms, more heat, and more floods.
That's true. And many animals are losing their homes because forests are being cut down.
It's really sad. I think we all need to do something to protect the environment.
I agree. What do you do to help the environment, Emily?
Well, I try to recycle plastic, glass, and paper. I also use a reusable water bottle instead of plastic ones. You?
I use public transportation or ride my bike when I can. I also try not to waste water or electricity at home.
That's great. Small things can make a big difference if we all do them.
Exactly. I also bring my own bags when I go shopping. I don't like using plastic bags.
Me too. And I try to buy local fruits and vegetables. It's better for the planet.
Do you think we should do more?
Yes. I think schools and communities should teach more about the environment. Many people just don't know how to help.
That's true. Some people don't understand how serious the problem is.
Right. We need to take care of the earth for future generations.
I agree 100%. Do you think we can stop climate change?
Maybe we can't stop it completely, but we can slow it down. If we work together, we can make a big change.
I like that idea. We should plant trees, clean up parks, and use less plastic.
Yes, and maybe we can join a local group that helps the environment.
That sounds fun. Let's look for one this weekend.
Great. I feel better when I do something positive for the earth.
Me too, Emily. Let's do our part to make the world a better place.
Absolutely. One step at a time.